Imagine a world where Salesforce Process Builder could work across all your applications like SAP, NetSuite, Workday, ServiceNow, Jira, Slack, and all kinds of others that are out there that you've got in your enterprise. Well, that's exactly what Workato does. Workato is the only intelligent automation platform that enables Salesforce admins and IT to build these integrations with any cloud or on-premise app and allows you to concentrate both the process and the workflow automation in a single platform. But beyond integrations like quote to cash or sync in sales and support, you can also use Workato to build innovative workflows that incorporate AI like Salesforce Einstein and build on platforms like Slack, and Deal Desk and all kinds of other stuff like that. These guys have a community that's built over 10,000 plus Salesforce integrations that you can easily find, edit, and use in a few clicks thanks to a little thing called patented smart clone technology. So with us today, we've got Ray Matthew. Ray is Business Development Manager at Workato. Are you ready for 3 minutes to show us the magic?
I am ready.
Let's do it. 3 minutes is yours.
All right. Why can't connecting all your apps together be just like using Salesforce? Everything in the cloud, always on, and accessible to any user. That's why we built Workato and why we debuted yesterday as a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for integration platforms. So where does the magic come from? Right here, the Workato recipe. With Workato recipes, anyone can whip up time and money-saving automations with English and logic, as you see here in this NetSuite and Salesforce sync.
Hey, Ray, update your opportunities.
I'm doing a demo jam.
Now.
Oh, gosh. I don't even know what my pipeline looks like. Okay, let's check. Okay, list some opportunities here. Oh, that actually looks kind of correct. Has the different stages, but I know that I met these guys yesterday. And so let's update this opportunity. So I think it's actually going to close sooner. We can upgrade their plan. And there was no competitor. So let's update this. All right. So here's the opportunity. Let's see if it updated. Oh, wow, it did. If you see, the close date changed, the product changed, and the price changed. But you know what? I actually had a call with them this morning, and I think that we are actually ready to send this to my boss for deal desk approval. So let's go. Okay, so I think this is going to close, but my boss has to make sure that I didn't do anything screwy here. And now that I'm pretending to be, let's just do an approval for this actual quote. So did I check the deal documents and product list? Yep. Any comments? Nah. Okay. First step done. Let's see if it's updating Salesforce. Oh, it is. Okay. Step 2. We need to start doing some invoicing. Well, you know what? I know that they're actually going to pay by credit card, so let's skip this. And I'm great. That's why I closed it. Come on. Let's hurry it up. I need to close this deal. I have this demo jam. Okay. It's updating. Oh, it's done. We closed it. And we also triggered a customer success task to onboard this customer right then. So if you see, in 3 minutes, I just checked my pipeline, updated it, closed the deal, and tasked my customer success org to onboard our customer, all thanks to Workato. Check us out at workato.com and see why we're a leader in the Magic Quadrant.